Tesla has announced a lot of cars that us fans expected to never come out. These include the next-gen Roadster, Tesla Semi, and funnily enough, the Cybertruck. Elon had announced that the Tesla Cybertruck will be entering full-scale production during Q4 of 2022. He had mentioned that Giga Texas factories are being prepared for full-scale production. When drones were flown over the factory, Cybertruck parts could be seen scattered all over it. The job listings that have been posted by Tesla proves that Elon wasn't lying when he said that Cybertruck is entering full-scale production. Many careers have opened up in Tesla's Austin factory. This includes Cybertruck Dimensional Engineer, Cybertruck Manufacturing Operations Leader, Cybertruck Senior Equipment Engineer, Cybertruck Dimensional Engineering Manager, and many more. There's no doubt that the Cybertruck is the most insane vehicle Tesla has announced. It was crafted with very extraterrestrial, futuristic aesthetic. Being kitted out with tech, many compare it to a spaceship. Elon in particular has had very nice things to say about it. He mentions that it's his greatest vehicle yet. We wonder if this vehicle will be able to combat the big guys in the pickup truck industry, such as the Ford F-150. Only time will tell. Are you going to pick yourself up a Cybertruck? Let us know in the comments below.